All right, this thing is from this company. It's called TeeTurtle, all right? And I do believe this is called a Plushie. So if you're in a good mood, this is the side you use. If you're in a bad mood, you just go like this. And you've got your, that guy looks like he's mad. All right, let's go. It's a nice day today, so I'm gonna go with this one because I think it's a nice day. So anyway, this is called a Reversible Plushies by TeeTurtle. I don't know what that does, but you can get these. They're about $7. They have them on Amazon. And that way your kid can let you know how he's feeling in the morning, or your girlfriend or your significant other. Is this our feel, or are we in a good mood? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this right here. Peace out.